Hi, this is my photo and video family. Um, I'm doing this as a new thing, so I have bought a new toy for myself and my family, which I'll be introducing in a while. I just want you all to have a look at what I currently have. It's not advanced video or photography, just very minimal. So for starters, I have a Mavic Pro. I think I got it 2 years ago for my wedding. This thing gives me a lot of aerial photography I need and a lot of aerial video I need. Shoots 4K. It's amazing. The second thing is the Nikon DSLR that I bought probably 6 years ago. I got another lens. I already have 18 to 55 millimeter lens as a standalone, and then I bought this one, which is 55 to 300 millimeter. They all are very old. None of them are new, I'm sure. My current model is 30D5100 Nikon. I'm sure there is a new model now, but I really don't have capacity to upgrade to a better one. This is the remote controller for my drone, and it works amazingly. I can use it with my iPhone or whatever. This will be my tripod stand for my DSLR. And I bought this for my wife. This is the selfie stick I gave her. So I'm thinking of using my new toy with this. So time to present my new toy. I got this from Direct Melbourne, from the city store, which is, I think, Elizabeth Street. This is my new addition to the DJI family. Cool. As you can see, it is Osmo Pocket and a bit of extension, so I can use it with different types of things. So let's start with the opening of Osmo Pocket, and then we'll come towards the accessories. Cool, so as we can see here, this will be the Osmo Pocket. Apart from that, some booklets, which I'm gonna keep here, silica gel, and I'm assuming this must be the wires, the charging cable, the lightning connector, and the USB-C cable. Cool, so this is the strap to hang for my pocket, I'm assuming. This will be the USB-C cable, and this will be the lightning connector, so I can connect my iPhone to it. And another connector to connect other phones like Android to it. All right, let's open Osmo Pocket. Cool, so it comes up with a case. That's good to know. There you go. Okay. Okay, a pad to protect it, and camera lid, camera protector. Cool. So this is a video stabilization, video taking thing, and I think it has 4K shooting. You can see it here from the back. I'm gonna keep it here. Let's read something about it. I've seen a lot of videos about Osmo Pocket, and I really wanted to get it and include it as a part of my photography and video family, because I already have Mavic Pro over here that works as my aerial photography and video taking. I have DSLR to take amazing pictures, and now I have Osmo Pocket so I can take ground videos. All right, let's move on to the accessories part. I'm gonna move these things aside so they don't trouble me or get lost. Again, it's from DJI. They sell these things separately, but they also sell these things together. It comes up with a controller wheel, an accessory attachment, so you can attach different types of things to it, and a wireless module. Apart from that, which is not shown on this picture, I think I read about it, and it says it comes up with a 32 GB